we're looking at here is the Caleffi Dirt Mag dirt separator. And the way a dirt separator works, it's different than a Y strainer or a cartridge strainer. So the flow comes into this, and it's called a collision median there. So the particles come in, they hit that median, they fall down to the bottom. As you can see, we've got a little display here, but we've got a blowdown valve, so you come back in a month or a week or something like that, put a cup or a bucket under that, open that little valve, and you can blow the debris that's been separated out of the system and flush it out. And you can see this little cutaway, you can see the median side there where all the particles hit that, fall to the bottom. Now occasionally you'll have one of these that gets plugged up so solid, there's so much dirt and debris in an old system that you've installed one of these in, that it's plugged up and you're not gotten any flow or much flow at all through your system. You might have to take it apart. And when you do that, what we've done is we've assembled this right here, this little belly seam, and that's put together with a fine thread. Everything Caleffi puts together is a fine thread with an O-ring seal, so you can easily disassemble that. Actually, you just put a crescent wrench on there, and you can loosen this up, take the bottom off. Of course, you've got your water shut off to the system, or you get a bath. And then unscrew that. It's going to take a while because it's a long, fine thread. And now you can get to that. And what you're going to find on that sometimes is you're going to find that there's maybe a brown jersey glove on a big one that the plumber might have dropped down the piping when they were putting the piping together. Teflon tape, again, is very common to find inside of these when you take them apart, because that won't necessarily drop out to the bottom flush out valve, but it'll get stuck in that collision median there. So this is how you can take it apart. Just wash it off under a faucet or something like that, put it back in, screw this together, and just tighten it back up. Put a wrench on it, cinch it down the last little bit on against that O-ring till it just stops against that. In fact, you can just hand tighten it all the way together like that with that fine thread, and now you've serviced your dirt separator.